Hello and welcome. Today we're working on how to calculate the accounting equation with some examples. If you're new, my name's Jeff from Finally Learn, where we're teaching accounting. We're going through the accounting chapters for financial accounting or principles of accounting. So let's get started. Remember, the accounting equation is assets have to equal liabilities plus equity. Now, what are assets? Assets are resources the company owns, so it is things of value, economic resources. Liabilities are anytime we owe money to creditors. So these are debts. And then equity is what's left over. Equity is the idea of what the business would owe to the owners if we paid off all the liabilities. So these are the assets that the company owns. This is the liabilities that they owe. And this is how much is left for the owners of the business. Okay, so let's do some problems. Let's say we have a problem where it says three different things, and we're going to solve for assets, for equity, and for liabilities. So let's say if liabilities are $20,000. I've just set up a little accounting equation here where assets, liabilities, and equity. We know assets have to equal the total of liabilities and equity. So if liabilities are $20,000, and equity is $45,000. Now, what would assets be? Well, let's format everything for dollars and 0 decimal places. So what we want to do is we can build a template for this. This is a formula we can use. Now you can see 20 plus 45. You can pull out your calculator and figure out it's 65,000, but don't do that. Excel can do this for us. We'll take the 20,000 plus the 45. Now you see how we start with a formula? We start with the equal sign and then point to cell reference. We don't want to type in 20. We don't want to type in 45. We want to use a cell reference D6 and E6. So that means we're going to get 65,000. Now, that doesn't seem like that big a deal, but what happens is we can take this problem and change the original numbers. What if liabilities are 55,500? And what if equity is 11,200? Well, then we've calculated assets. So this is a little template to solve for assets every time. So that's a template. And then we can do the same thing for equity and liabilities. So let's go back to our original numbers here. Let's go back to, let's say our liabilities are 20,000. Now, do you see it calculates, well, if liabilities are 20 and equity is 11, then we have 31,000 as our total assets. But if equity is 45,000, then we've calculated this right here. I've used a formula. Formulas equals D6 and E6. So that's a template to solve for assets. So we got that one calculated and finished. If assets are 100,000 and liabilities are 34,000, we're going to solve for equity. So in equity cell, we're going to have a formula. So let's put in what we know. So if assets are 100,000 and liabilities are 34,000, we know the total assets have to equal the total of liabilities and equity. So what we're going to do is start with an equal sign and point to the 100,000 minus the 34,000. That means in this case, if we have assets of 100 and liabilities of 34, then we're going to solve for equity. In fact, I'm going to go back and put a little highlighting on this so that way we know, hey, this is where our formula is located. So here this is 65,000 and this is 66,000. Now we can do the same thing for liabilities. So we'll have a formula here for liabilities. We'll be given assets and equity. So let's see how we do it. 154,000 would be our assets. Our equity is 40,000. So how do we calculate liabilities? Well, we're going to use algebra and say 154 minus the 40,000. All right, so our answer is 114,000 is our total liabilities. Now, what happens is we might solve different problems. So if you have a new problem that says if assets are 292,000 and equity is 76,000, then it will calculate what our liabilities would be. our total liabilities based on that problem. So I'm going to undo. The way you undo is either Control Z or Command Z. So we got back to our original number. So I would set up templates. This is how you do it. You can set up templates to calculate assets, to calculate equity, and to calculate liabilities for the accounting equation.